Bagsmart. I've been waiting on these little cute little pink compression packing cubes. Let's get into it. Let's get into it because I love packing cubes. We have one like small. This is a larger one. The laundry bag. And then the shoe bag. And don't worry, of course I'm gonna do a mock pack for you. I thought this was a shoe bag. Upon first look, I forgot. This is actually a undergarment bag. I'm gonna have to put it between my legs again. I don't know how the other girlies did it, but that's what I have to do for me.